23. As you can see, it's very, very windy here. If you live in Southern California, be very careful being outside because it's super windy. I'm actually headed to work right now, and going inside, it won't be so windy. I hope today is just a chill day because I'm still really tired. I woke up like 11:30, tried to go back to sleep. I couldn't, because of the wind. It's just super windy. It's super annoying right now. I had coffee, but I'm still annoyed, so we'll see what kind of day it's gonna be. To everyone out there, I probably won't make a video until Thursday because I'm off tomorrow and I'm off Wednesday. I might make one Wednesday when I do laundry. Trust me, I have to do laundry before I go back to work on Thursday. So everyone have a great and blessed day. I love you all. Thank you.